All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Impala. It is the V6 Premier Package, black with gray interior, leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice alloy wheels, heated seats. Very nice. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Only 22,000 miles in this vehicle. Your bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire thread. Now, if you see the tire turn, it's because I do have the steering wheel turned inside. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing here. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Does come with two key fob combos. Boom, two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. It is a push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. All right. See, got your, I believe it has Navi. I'll double check that. Yes, it certainly does have a navigation screen. All right. Radio, backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. Heated seats right down here. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for airbag light on. It does have a parking assist. I don't know what that means, but it does have that light on there for parking. And your mileage of 25,555. So I apologize. I did say 22. I meant 25. All right. That pretty much completes the tour for in here. Let's keep it moving. Open up the trunk. So of course, what's your rear passenger seat looks like? No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have rear cup armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Does have a cargo netting here. I did pull this up so it'd be easier for me to open this up. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Lift this up. Boom, that goes down. That's beautiful. Your lift gate looks pretty good. Here's your quarter. Looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. Just to engulf it, I'll say 10 or more, but it's not. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. It's a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. It's a little minimum curbing there, about an inch. Tire thread, over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Everything is beautiful, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a beautiful 2018 Chevy Impala V6 Premier Package with 25,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.